number 4. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Here there is well. Well is in the ground, under the ground, and there is, it is dug and taken out the earth, and it is spread all around the well. Then it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter to form an embankment. Embankment, that means it's a even stone wall spread around the well. Here well circular shape, therefore it is a circular ring. Suppose it is in river, then to stop the flow of water we build an embankment. Embankment, that means wall of stone. Then of width 4 meter to form an embankment. Find height of the embankment. Suppose here is a well. It is a cylindrical shape. Then it is its level, ground level. Here it deep well. We build an embankment from its circular shape. It is a circular shape. On circular shape, we write here then we build embankment around it. Find height of embankment. Height of embankment. Here it is a ring, circular ring. Volume of earth taken out from this well and it's spread around the wall in a circular shape, circular ring. Suppose wall is here from deep, then we have seen that it is a wall of stone built on the wall. It is not a level of ground. Then it is build embankment around the wall. Find height of embankment. In this question, a well diameter, that is given well. Its diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. Diameter is equal to 3 meter. Therefore, its radius is equal to 3 by 2 meter. Dug 40 meter deep. Height is equal to 40 meter deep. Depth is equal to 40 meter. Taken out earth, spread all around this. Then find circular ring with 4 meter, form an embankment. Find the height of an embankment. Embankment is a shape of like this. We spread here and it is a 3-dimensional. Height is here. Therefore, find height. Then first we find volume of this embankment is equal to volume of well, the earth spread out or taken out from the valve. Find volume of these things. It is embankment. Embankment volume of. Then find volume of this circle, this, and volume of two spherical shape, cylindrical shape. Volume of well with radius. Which radius? Radius is equals to 3 by 2 meter, and volume of what is volume of circular ring with well, then this type. Then find, we get volume of embankment. Here first we find volume of well. Volume of earth taken out from the well. Equals to pi. Well is the shape of pi r square h. Now find volume of embankment. Volume of embankment is equals to first we find its radius or volume of spherical shape, cylindrical shape here, and it is also cylindrical shape. Find its height, common height. Both height are common for embankment. Circular ring, width 4 meter. To form an embankment, find height of the embankment. Here we find height of embankment. Then we find pi r square. Radius are same here. Here radius are same, but in this shape radius is, width is 4 meter. Then first radius with well is equals to 4 meter plus 3 by 2 meter. It is a 3 by 2 meter and it is 4 meter. Width is equals to 4 meter. Then radius of embankment, first radius we calculate here 3 by 2 meter, and other radius is equals to 3 by 2 plus 4 is equals to 11 by 2 meter. Then find height. First we find volume of embankment. Volume of embankment is equals to pi r2 square h minus pi r1 square h. Both are cylindrical shape. R2 is a radius of embankment with well, and R1 is equals to radius of y is equals to, here common part is equals to pi h r2 square minus r1 square. Now putting all the terms, volume of embankment is equals to volume of earth taken out from the well. You know here, volume of embankment is equals to volume of earth taken out from the well. Here we write volume of embankment is equals to pi r2 square. It is a circular ring. Then r2 square minus r1 square is pi h r2 square minus r1 square is equals to volume of earth taken out from a well is equals to pi r square h. We put here all the values. Pi is equals to 22 by 7, h find, r2 square 11 by 2 square minus r1 square 3 by 2 square equals to 22 by 7 into r square. R is equals to 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into depth of is equals to 14. Now 22 by 7 into h into 11 by 2 121 by 4 minus 9 by 4 equals to 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 14. H is equals to 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 14 into 7 by 22 into difference of this term 121 minus 1 112 by 4. What is the difference? 112 by 4, it is one opposite side, then 4 by 112. Here is equals to, I will write here 112 by 4. Then it is one opposite side 4 by 112. Simplification 7 22 22 7 14 8 is 112. 2 2s are 4. Then 3 3s are 9 and 8. H is equals to 9 by 8. H is equals to 9 by 8 is equals to 1.9. 8 ones are 8, 1, 2, 8 twos are 16, 1.125. All are in meter. Then we write height of embankment equals to 1.125 meter. Again this question. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The well is equals to diameter 3 meter, therefore its radius is equals to 3 by 2 meter. And height depth is equals to height is equals to 14 meter. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter. Here suppose it is a circular ring width 4 meter, therefore it is 4 meter and it is 3 by 2. We know it is a radius of well and it is 4 meter width. We write for embankment R1 is equals to 3 by 2 and R2 is equals to 3 by 2 plus 4. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 2 meter. Then find height. Volume of earth taken out from the well is equals to pi r square h. Volume of embankment is equals to pi r1 r2 square h minus pi r1 square h. Pi h is common part. r2 square minus r1 square. Here r2 square minus r1 square pi r square h. Compare this. Volume of embankment is equals to volume of earth taken out from the well. Here put the value h. This term simplify. 121 by 4 minus 9 by 4 is equals to 112 by 4. I write here directly 4 upon 112. Then h is equals to 9 by 8. H is equals to 9 by 8. Therefore h is equals to 1.125 meter. Height of embankment is equals to 1.125 meter. Good morning. Open your textbook. Exercise 13.3, question number 5. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 cm and height 15 cm is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 cm and diameter 6 cm having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. Question number 5 in textbook. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter. There is a container. For container, it is a shape of which shape? Cylinder. Diameter is equals to 12 cm and height 15 cm. Here diameter is equals to 12, therefore radius is equals to 12 by 2 is equals to 6 cm and height is equals to 15 cm. Is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled in the shape into the cones of height ice cream cone height. Then we write here capital H 12 cm and diameter 6 cm. D is equals to 6 cm. Then I write R is equals to 6 by 2 is equals to 3 cm. Having hemispherical shape on the top, find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. And is equals to number of cones which we find. Ice cream cone is with hemisphere like this. Ice cream cone shape you know, and with hemispherical. Then it is a hemispherical scoop on it. A hemispherical ice cream on it. Here container. Container is in a shape of cylinder. There is a container of cylindrical shape which is full of ice cream. Then we fill ice cream in cone, full cone and another scoop on it. It is a hemispherical shape. Then how many cones filled with this ice cream in this container? Use ice cream of this container. First we compare volume of container is equals to volume n into volume of ice cream. And that means number of ice cones. How many cones filled with ice cream from containers ice cream? Here number of cones is equals to n is equals to volume of cylinder container. We write volume of n cones is equals to n cones, that means we find here n cones is equals to volume of container or ice cream full of container, volume of n cones, n multiply volume of cones. Which shape? It is combined two shapes. Which two are? Hemisphere and cone. Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone equals to volume of container. Container which shape? Cylindrical shape. Then volume of container, that means volume of cylinder. Now putting formula n into volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere, what is the formula of volume of hemisphere? Yes, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cone, then 2 by 3, no, 1 by 3 pi r square. Yes, 1 by 3 pi r square. Here for cone all letters are capital. Then we write here r cube pi r square h equals to volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Radius of hemisphere is equals to radius of cone. Radius of cone, both are same. N into common part 1 upon 3 pi r square, 1 upon 3 pi r square, then 2r plus h is equals to pi r square h. N into 1 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into r square. R is equals to 3. 3 into 3, 2 into 3 plus height of cone is equals to 12. Is equals to 22 by 7 r square. What is r square? What the value of r square? 6. 6 into 6 and h. H is equals to 50. You convert all these terms opposite side and here I write here 22 into 3 upon 7 into 2 3s are 6 plus 12 is equals to 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 50. N is equals to, we write here 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 50 into 7 upon 22 into 3 into 6 plus 12, 18. Here we write 18. 22, 22, 7, 7, 6, 3 is 18, 3 5s are 3 2s are. N is equals to, here H is equals to 15 and here H is equals to 12. Then we write H is equals to 12 plus 3 2s are 6, 18 here. Then N is equals to 10 cones. Number of cones is equals to 10 cones. Question number 5. Again question. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter. Height is equals to 15 centimeter. Is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter, having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. First we find volume of container and volume of cones. N into volume of cones. Here volume of container, which shape? It is a shape like cylinder. And volume of cones, which is combined with hemisphere and cones. Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone equals to volume of cylinder. Putting formula, and volume of hemisphere is equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 1 by 3 pi r square h equals to pi r square h. And into common part 1 upon 3 pi r square. Then remaining part 2r plus h is equals to pi r square. You use any method. You simplify this number and then find. Add these two numbers and then find. I write here 2r, put the value, n is equals to 10 cones. Therefore, find the number of ice cream cone. We write here number of ice cream cone equals to how many cones? 10. Number of ice cream cones is equals to 10. Okay. Question number 5. A container is a full of ice cream with it is filled with cone. How many cones are filled with this ice cream? Then we take number of cones is equals to n. Find volume of n cones is equals to volume of container. Cone is a shape of cone plus hemisphere. Because it is a hemispherical scoop put on it. Then ice cream is a shape of one hemisphere. Putting this value and simplify this question, then number of cones is equals to 10 cones.